North Korea is cutting a military hotline and delivering a sobering message via state TV.
The Korean peninsula is now in a condition of a simmering nuclear war.
The latest move breaks one of the last lines of communication with South Korea.
If there is an escalation of tensions, the opportunity to use these crisis management tools are gone.
A Pentagon official called Pyongyang's actions a complete mystery. An intelligence official said the U.S. is trying to figure out if it's just rhetoric or if the bluster is being driven by something behind the scenes.
The North Koreans are not going to achieve anything through these threats and provocations.
But one analyst says this could be a test.
It's almost like Kim Jong-un is taking a book of flinches and carefully documenting at which point his adversaries do flinch.
John Park says Kim's father would do something provocative, then sit back and milk it for more time. The son is showing a new leadership style. Kim Jong-un launched a long-range rocket and quickly followed up with a nuclear test. Within days, Kim released videos showing America burn, threatened South Korea, and put his military on combat alert. All of which may be Kim's way of probing how much the U.S. and South Korea will take.
And I think that becomes a basis of very important lessons learned that he could probably use in a different fashion later down the road.
Some U.S. officials say, look, North Korea has cut off communication before, and this is sort of an action that substitutes for doing something even more provocative and dangerous. But they are worried about a miscalculation in the fact that the lack of communication now would really hurt the U.S. and South Korea's ability to sort of control what happens if you started to get into an escalating series of attacks, Wolf.